Now let's talk about what is servant leadership. It is a leadership philosophy by Robert K. Greenleaf in which the primary goal of the leader is to serve. Servant leaders prioritize the needs of their team members and help them grow and perform as highly as possible. There are key characteristics of servant leadership. First is listening. Leaders pay attention to and value others' perspectives. Second is empathy. Leaders understand and share the feelings of others. Third is healing. Leaders help others overcome personal issues. Fourth is awareness. Leaders are mindful of oneself and the community. Fifth is persuasion. Leaders convince others rather than coercing them. Sixth is conceptualization. Leaders think beyond the day-to-day realities. Seventh is foresight. Leaders anticipate future outcomes. Eighth is stewardship. This is where leaders holding the organization in trust for the greater good. Ninth is commitment to the growth of people. This is where leaders nurture the personal and professional development of others. And tenth is building community. This is where leaders foster a sense of belonging and unity. Thank you and happy learning.